guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is the day that we're fitting the new wood scoop to Letitia's Ralliart. If you saw the previous video where I showed the parts I had to install, you would have seen it. So this is it here. It was faded carbon fibre. I have painted it white. Look, I'll be honest, not the best job. I originally did a perfect job on it in my mind until I was painting the clear coat on it, and a little bug landed in it while I was spraying, and I tried to quickly pick it out, but the damage was already done. So I ended up deciding to strip it and repaint it. When I stripped it, I used paint stripper. I got distracted, left it on a little bit long, and it actually stripped the carbon back to the weave. So it's a bit blotchy now. You can probably see it in the light. So I tried to fill it, sand it and paint it. It's not come out well. So I'm just gonna fit it up today, see how the color matches, and then I'm gonna take it back off, have another go at it. But kind of got sick of painting it at the moment, so I just wanted to put it on, see how it looks, see if Letitia's happy with the raised scoop look, and then just move on to the next part, which will be probably the rear diffuser. So anyway, I'll throw it on, see how it looks, see how the color looks. So I've made a video previously on installing the carbon hood scoop on my car. Just washed the car, so a bit of water dripping. But yeah, so I made a video previously on installing one of these in my car, so I won't really go into too much detail, but yeah, basically just have to pull this heat shield off, and there's a few bolts holding the stock one on. So yeah, let's get that started. Alright, so we've got the heat shield off. Just have these two bolts at the top. There's three at the bottom. We got these two clips and this screw here. So we'll just get those out. So with all the bolts out and that screw out, you just have these little clips here. So you just get some pliers and you basically squeeze and push. I've had this out before, so these ones aren't as tight. But yeah, it's just a bit of a fiddly job, so just get some pliers. And pop it out. Now I forgot about these two screws here. So there's one here and one here. So you just have to get those two out. And then this part will unclip. You can pull the whole thing out. Now pull this down. And lift that out. So let's give this area a quick clean up and we'll compare the colour of the two. Okay, so here they are next to each other. Colour looks pretty close to me. This one still needs to be polished. I was only finished spraying it yesterday, but it needs to sort of cure for a bit longer. But as I'm going to probably redo it while we're in this whole quarantine, I have all the time in the world. So I just figured I'll put it on, just at least see how it looks, if the colour's good, before I go to the process of stripping it again. So yeah, let's put it on anyway. So it looks pretty good. Definitely after a polish it'll look a bit better. Yeah, I do like the look of the raised scoop. It'll allow definitely more airflow. So let's, from memory, when I had this one on my car, the fitment was pretty good. So grab a few bolts and tighten it in, close the bonnet properly, and yeah, see if Letitia likes the look, see if I want to go to the effort of repainting it, or if she just wants the stock one back in. Okay, so here is the finished product. I've got it on. Pretty happy with it. The colour's pretty much spot on in my mind. I don't know how it looks through camera, but in person, it's like pretty much the same. You could not tell. Really like the raised look to it, so it adds a bit of aggressiveness to the car, and obviously the airflow is going to be a lot better. Letitia really likes it, so it's not perfect at the moment. As I said at the start, I didn't do a great job painting it. Well, mainly I didn't do a great job prepping it because I stripped it too far. But so it's still a bit rough. It could still be compounded and polished to look its best and really get the shine out of it. But as I think I'm just going to, with all the time we have off, just strip it, prep it a bit better, and have a final attempt at painting it and really get it right this time. I think I'll just leave it as is, leave it on for now so we can move on to the next few projects, but I just wanted to see how it looked, and I actually really do like the look. So yeah, it'll be staying on for now. So next up in the series for this Ralliart, we have the rear diffuser to put on. But yeah, there's a bit more prepping to do on that yet. Need to smooth it out, sand it, and repaint it. But so far we've got the catch can, we've got the lug nuts, and we've got the scoop on. So these are our new lug nuts, have all 4 sides on now. Catch can video just went out, scoop is on. One thing we kind of did but didn't film was we did a rear wiper delete. So I didn't end up filming this just because we did it late at night in the garage, didn't really want to pull the camera out. But so we've got this rubber grommet plug there at the moment. We'll probably get a different one, but it really makes the rear of the car look a lot smoother without having a rear wiper there. So yeah, that was a nice little easy free mod basically, and saved a kilo of weight. Not as much, but it all helps, out of the back of the car. So yeah, next is to get the diffuser on, and we've got a few more videos with my car coming. So yeah, hope you're enjoying the videos. If you're a Ralliart owner, some of these will be more helpful than the usual Evo videos that I film in my car. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and put any comments you have down below. But that'll be it for today, and I'll catch you next time.